Well, welcome again to the class. This specific segment is going to be talking about our assessments and assignments for each week. I just wanted to highlight for the class what we'll be looking for. And you'll notice on each week that there's the incremental learning objectives. And when you do click into the week, you will actually find a variety of information. For week one, just a quick introduction from myself, but also the three assessment programs that we'll have each week. The one that has the grading perspective is Blackboard. And I'd like to make sure that everyone feels very comfortable using Blackboard. In the first week, I've really just started by asking you to go in and give some general information about yourself. And this will really be something that I'll put up on a regular basis. We'll actually have Blackboard grading programs that will start by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. And then you have 48 hours to respond. So basically the way this will work is that I'll post it during the week. Everyone will have 48 hours from the time it's posted to respond for the first time, but you also need to respond by the end of the week, regardless if it's within 48 hours or not. You can take a look at the grading rubric to see that if you respond in the 48 hours, you have the highest grade, and then it kind of breaks down from there. In addition, the other file that's listed here are the two grading rubrics. So please feel free to read those and get a good idea of how the grading will be done for Blackboard. I'm also going to encourage all of you to start your own threads, depending on topics that you have, or you may find something that you've read in an article or online or in a newspaper or wherever it may be, so that others can also keep up to date with current ethic topics that are happening in the healthcare industry or specifically in clinical research. The next area we'll be looking at is reading, and each week what I'd like to ask is that each student submit a one-page summary. This can be 1 or 2 paragraphs, does not have to be in great detail. These are due by 11:59 Sunday night from the previous week. So as an example, we have readings in week 1 that are listed in the syllabus. Please go ahead and do the readings, and then just provide a very brief overview or highlight of what you found, or a specific area within the reading that you found to be of interest, or may relate to your current work, or if you're a full-time student, how it may relate to that. And so again, I'm just looking for some basic information regarding that. And then I will try to summarize these for everyone, because everyone will probably pick, or a few may pick the same area to highlight as something that they found to be of interest. Please also indicate the individual page or section of the reading that you are providing this background on. Lastly, for the quiz, each week we'll have what I describe a mini quiz. We have to have 3 different kinds of assessment, and the mini quiz is really going to be for materials within the class, readings in Blackboard. It's really purely to assess how we're doing as far as information being provided to you, and the progress that we're making, working through this process of having an online course. Quiz will be posted by 11:59 on Wednesdays and will be submitted by Friday at 11:59. I'm trying to make sure that I line these up so that everyone has the same deadline, and looking at things from that standpoint of how we can go through this. So I'm looking forward to meeting everybody online and the opportunity to interact and provide feedback across a number of items. Again, from a grading perspective, Blackboard is the one item here that you'll be looking at on a regular basis that will have grading that will impact your final grade. Please, again, look in the syllabus for the breakdown of how the course is graded and the 2 rubrics that give you information regarding this. Thank you very much. Looking forward to having a great class. Bye now.